Hello everyone, welcome back to Ramosa TV, and today we'll be talking about Belgium government scholarship, which is full funded for masters and short courses as well, full funded including everything. The deadline for the application is February 5. February guys, we still have time. So let's go and quick about the detail about this scholarship over here. As we can see, it's for masters and those short courses, which we call them training. The courses offered or available, you can see there's master's specialization in development and environment. Other courses you can find over them a lot listed over here. To be eligible for this scholarship, you need to be coming from a developing country and you must be residing and working in their country of origin when you are applying this scholarship. So only nationalities of the following country can apply: Benin, Bolivia, Burkina Faso, Burundi, Cambodia, Cameroon, Cuba, Ecuador, Ethiopia, only for training courses in English, but Haiti, Madagascar, Morocco, Niger, Peru, the Philippines, DRC Congo, Rwanda, Senegal, and Vietnam also can apply to this scholarship. Others, you aren't allowed because the learning language can be French or can be another language to which will be offered according to the offered session at the particular university, being English or another language. The other criteria, you be under the age of 40 for degree program and under 15 for training courses at the time when you are applying. So now here we are on the official website. Over here, as you scroll down, you can see call for application opening was October 1st and will be closed on January 15 and February 5, 2021. So when you come over here down, you can see about the courses offered over here are listed, the financial support. Let's see about the benefit from this scholarship. For international travel costs, the flight, round ticket flight, when you pay for yourself, they need the receipt, they'll refund you, reimburse you back your money. So economy class, living allowance flat rate about 1,150 euro per month for duration of 12 months, which is 1 year. And the indirect admission fee will be paid 150 euro. This will be paid once during your registration and other stuff to this course. Then arrival allowance, tuition and the return fees flat 700 euros. This amount is given once per stay upon arrival of the grantee. When you just arrive, they grant you 700 euro. Registration fee you'll be paid. Insurance fee will be paid. They'll cover the insurance fee. Travel costs that are part of university training, also when you provide the receipt, they reimburse you or they will refund you back your money, your costs. So how do you apply? How to apply step by step? How do you apply? First, they say you need to create a Giraffe account on their site. You need to create first an account, you put on your email, you submit. It will take like 2 to 3 days for them to reply you back. When they reply you, they assess first your eligibility for those criteria filled above. When you are eligible and the eligibility for the country, then they'll send you the email. From there, you can continue on with other steps. So this is one among the strictest scholarship I've ever found. It takes 2 to 3 days. So I did that and I was waiting until they replied to me. Now we can go on showing you step by step. So first, after you create a Giraffe account by clicking here, then you'll be validated with a few hours to a few days. And they will receive a confirmation mail. Once you have that, you go to competitive calls for Graph and you start the application. Then you can complete the form in several times. As soon you submit the application form when you are done. So application deadline are just listed there. So you won't be accessible if you don't follow the admission criteria or if you don't complete the form within the application time. So the application form, let's go direct on here, the part which they show, click here. So when you click at that part for the application time, they'll bring you to the official website. Like here you see you need to do a registration. So over here, do registration. You put the gender, last name, You put the date of birth, place of birth, your department and service, the field of study, language you choose. So make sure you be from the eligible countries and you'll be residing and working at that country when you're applying. The address, you need to put the info about the address, city, work phone, private address, city, private phone, private email. You put also first name, country of birth, nationality, function, you are a student or working, marital status, postcode, and other stuff. So you choose there until you're down, you click, you verify you are not a robot, then you click save. When you save, you have registered, so they will contact you through the email. After they contact you through the email, which I say registration takes from hours to days, for me almost 2 days it took. So you come, they'll bring you the link in the email. When you click that link to verify or to activate your account, you click the link, they'll bring you direct where you need to create a password. So just put the password and you confirm the password which you'll be using, then you'll have already the account whereby you can go on with the application. So now after you get the application, you click back the link and they'll bring you to the site where you need now to apply on your profile. So when you put on your email and you can put the password which you just created, then you come over here. Now when you are on the official website ready to upload, the name will pops out here, the name, your name which you have used to create the account. And when you come, you'll have sections: home, dashboard, competitive calls. So you need to click the part for competitive calls. Clicking at that part, you can see now you'll have start the application. So you can start applying from this side, because if you scroll down, you'll see you don't have any application, and you can change the language into English. Here at the top you have that option. Click start the application, and you're about to open a new application form. Click OK. So now we are ready for the application. As we are ready for the application, the deadline we have been told is 5 February. Well, so you put the identifier of the application, put your details over there. So to identify your application during the session, please fill in the identifier files as follows: last name plus first name, CSC, example, DuPont jeans, like that. So you need to put on your detail, first name and last name plus first name, and you're applying for the CSC 2021. And the courses here you can choose. You have the option masters in the specialization in development, environment, and society. So you choose either and apply for master's specialization in development and the environmental society environment. Master's in droids, home, you choose any. Most of them, the courses are just available here. You choose one, maybe I want to apply for master in that. Then you come university, providing the master's or training, you choose over here which university you want to get enrolled. Maybe I want to get university, that one. Personal details, your name which you have used to apply, they just pops up there when you are doing the registration. You come all the details. You can edit here if you wanna do the editing. Contact information, you need to put on your contact, backup email, private phone, work phone, full private address, emergency contact, emergency email of emergency contact, phone of the contact, and other. Then you come secondary schools studies, the secondary school, which is middle school for others. You put name of the school that you deliver the certificate, country, you choose where you have graduated from, areas of concentration in the final year of the study, if to a science, if to a art or business. Then grades in the final year, you put date of completion of secondary school studies, month and year, you need to indicate over here. Then you come to higher education. Now you need to put on the details. Online per academy must be fit, the undergraduate degree courses credits, graduate degree credits, other diplomas if applicable, list of publication, active publication in certificate. For others who their country, the education system is just like a high school, is the highest. So on secondary school studies, you need to put the high school. Higher education, you need to put your university courses or your university levels, which you did, university degree, department details, and other stuff concerning your university for bachelor's degree, because now we are applying for masters. Then short training courses, grants, if you had any, you can afford any training course, you can put, you open over there, you need to fill it. If so, what was it? Specify. If so, from which one? Professional experience, if you have any, you need to fill over here. Current employment, if you're employed, you need job title, name of the company, last name, email address, phone number for the reference and other stuffs. Upon your return to your country, this job will be held for you and guaranteed by the employer. If the employer permitted you to apply for this job, you need to click this part. But if not, you are just applying for your own, don't just put this current employment, just go like that. Then language skills, you need to put the language. Speaking skills, you put the mother tongue or very good. Reading comprehension, so you can add up language according to how many times, if it's French now, maybe I say mother tongue, I come reading comprehensive, very good, very good, very good. Maybe I choose mother tongue. Then after done, I click add language. When I click add language, I choose maybe I want to add English. I add up English, I click again, add language. And in every language, when you choose, you need to specify speaking skills, if it's high, mother tongue, or lower, or normal. Comprehension, verbal, and writing skills as well. So when you are done with that, you come motivations, explain what has motivated the request to participate in coursework or training courses related to the grant. This is the most important part. Guys, you need to feel the important very important, this part. You need to open up and type as much as you can. Describe how this training or coursework in Belgium may be put to use upon your return to your country of origin. What this department, this training course, will it give effect back to the community where you are coming from? How will it help you after graduating from Belgium? So you need to be careful, because this is technical question and they want a clear answer. Think about that. Then required documents to be attached during the application. You letter of recommendation one, you choose the file, you upload from, it can be from the former university or the former school you are coming from, or the former employee where you have been employed. Certified copy of undergraduate degree, you need to put here your diploma or certificate from graduation of your undergraduate. Then letter of recommendation number 2, certified copy of graduate degree. Officials, for those who are applying for training courses, you'll put over here graduate degree. Official certificate of citizen or copy of passport, you need to put over there. Certificate, copy of other diploma if applicable, whether you have. Certificate of language skills for the language course training. If candidate has not been taught in this language, you can choose here also to put the certificate. ID photo, certified copy of academic transcript, official proof of business activity, certification of employment for the last 5 years. This is required. It's very important, because they said you should be working and living in that country which you are applying from. And the re-employment grade from my employer, when you graduate, when you go back, you still secure the same job. This is applicable for people who are granted permission to go to study from their work area. Then detailed list of publication, active participation in scientific event or short training courses if applicable, you put over there. Then project, if any additional annexes option, you can just choose. Then knowledge of the grant program. How did you hear about the grant program? If you had it from social medias like YouTube, Instagram, and other stuffs, you can choose maybe through others, or through our website, through acquaintance, through local university, or through, you choose others like that. Then soon you need to swear to this agreement. Let's call agreement, not contract. You promise. By you promising that you'll obey all the law, then you check that, and you can click submit when you are done with all the details over here. So that's how the application is done. Very quick, but be sure to be eligible for all these criteria for you to apply. But they pay well, 1,100 euro. They pay well, 700 grand euro when you just arrive, and other many more. So this is the opportunity that you don't want to escape from. But by the way, if you need the cancellation about the scholarship detail, you can check me on this number, whereby you can book a consultation time with me. That was all about today. I'll see you in Belgium. Bye bye.